All right, guys, we have the Eagles today. I Can't Tell You Why. Awesome song. Let's take a listen here. Get my earbuds in. I got an electric piano layer. Let's see what we got. So forth. Hello everyone, I'm Shawn and welcome to my easy piano lessons. We're going to do the part 1 lesson right here, and all the lessons for this are on my website, webpianoteacher.com. Works on all your mobile devices, your desktop computers, your iPhones, your iPads, or whatever you want to view on. And this is a neat arrangement because I give you the keyboard part, but also some of the guitar parts. We even do the guitar solo in this lesson series, as well as showing you some neat little piano fills that'll fit right in this thing. Like you heard me go. I didn't write those in right at the beginning because they're just kind of optional, but I do write the rest of them in once we get into the verse there. But I'm going to show you that. If you're a purist and you want to do just what Glenn Frey plays in your 2, 3, 4, you know, but I like. So I'll show you all that in this part 1. But let's get going here. We're going to start with left hand on B. Okay, so what I did in this is kind of combine everything. The electric guitar playing, of course the keyboard, the bass part, and occasionally some just piano things that we can put in there that sound pretty cool. So here we go. B in the left hand, I'll do an octave. 1, 2. So it's a B minor chord, and you know what song it is from that. You know, from the just that much, you know what song it's going to be. B, D, F sharp. I'll use 1, 2, 4. The first one is staccato, so 1, 2, staccato. You'll hold the next one, B, D, F sharp, A, C sharp, E. I will mention, if you are a complete beginner, this is going to be really hard for you probably. So you want to do my beginner lesson series on webpianoteacher.com. There's 79 beginner lessons. Take you from very beginning, like you don't know anything, and then it'll take you, that's where we all have to start, right? It'll take you all the way through and you know, get you ready for a lesson series like this. Bum, bum, A, C sharp, E for that next chord. All right, so you go 1, 2, da, da, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. And the counting is very important in this because there's a lot of space in there, right? I'll show you those fills in a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, ba, ba. There we're going to do a 2-finger on the F sharp. That's what the bass player does. And then we go back to that octave. 1, 2, da, da. If you don't do that first one staccato, it's not going to sound right. Staccato, and then you hold 2, 3. So on that one, I'm going to go F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, back to my B octave. Da, da, 1, 2, 3. 2. Finally, we have something different here. We have A, C sharp, E, left hand on an F sharp octave. That gives us an F sharp minor 7 chord. 2, 3, 4. All right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and A, C sharp, E. Is the last 3 notes there. Let me get to the verse. Look at us, baby. So let's get that, what we've learned so far first for the intro. And go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Da, da, da. 1, 2, 3. So, the little fills, what did I do? Da, da, da. If you want to put them in, I went up high and I did an A chord, A, E, C sharp, E, or A, E, C sharp, A, and you can just roll it down. So 1, 2, da, da, 1, 2. And one I went, or up here. I just went A, then a country third, what I call a country third. B E to C sharp, B A. So from the beginning, 1, 2, la la, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 2. Then you do this one again. 1, 2, 2, 3. You don't want to do too much fill in there because that space in there is part of the effect. Have that long hold, you know. And they at least have the drums kind of doing a percussion beat there. All right, so then we get to the verse. Look at us, baby, all night, in love apart. There's a little piano fill. So what is this? This is the bass. When the bass goes da da da. The piano keyboard doesn't do that, but the bass guitar does, and I think that's important to the song. The electric guitars does this. Bum, 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 bum. And I think that's important. And then this is just a fill that I added that you can take or leave. You can put it in there, you can not put it in, but I'm just giving you some options in this to add some things. So I have everything that I could fit into this arrangement, plus a little extra as far as doing little piano things here and there to spice it up a little bit for solo piano. So there's your part one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. If you learned one thing, then it was worth listening. Or as a musician, some. Talk to you later.